Hey guys, Wi-Fi the Fuzz here. Just watch this.
What? No! No! Oh my head!
You sound like an empty spray. You sound like an empty spray bottle. Oh my god.
Wait, what?
She sounds like an empty spray bottle when she's laughing.
Hold on. Wait, are you recording?
Yes. This is too perfect. Are you okay? I'm gonna call you Squeegee from now on, just because you're like an empty bottle. I can't. Oh no. Hey, are you okay? Are you dying? Oh god.
No!
I think it's dying. Dead. Oh god!
Oh god, no.
Shove it up his ass!
Brianna possesses the power now. That neck though, it's perfect. Not to be racist or anything, but Asian people.
I can't breathe! Oh god!
You can't breathe. I'm sitting here getting an abdominal workout from laughing too hard.
Knock. Who's there? This dick.
Hold up. Hold up. Hold up.
Crack sandwich 101.
Wait. I'm a Beyblade.
Well, welcome to Sleepover Chaos.
Part.
God knows how much
No,
now.
it's like that music video. It's right here.
Hello, baby. Let me whisper in your ear.
The way he just went limp. Wait, do it again.
Wait, want me to do it again? Are you serious?
You can't tear me down. I hate it.
Oh, like his pants came off.
Okay, low-key, his hand hurt my teeth. It
Oh.
has like beans in there.
Oh no, that's
Beans.
no. There's actually a stick you're supposed to stick in there so you can control the hands.
He's gone limp. Oh god! Ah, that's my face, ugly ass! Carmi,
Brother?
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 Oh god! Sweet Alabama!
I didn't know you'd bring out this abomination with this big name.
Sweet home Alabama! Oh god. What the fuck?
Kermit was consumed.
Wait, no, grab Kermit. I want to do something.
Dude, grab your own Kermit. Oh god. Oh god. This is not for children.
Wait. I need some form of
Oh god. This is not for children. Okay. Oh god.
Okay, that's
I hate
enough.
that. That's enough.
Okay, I think this is a good time to end the video.
Yeah, definitely.
Bye.